The school is in Houston's East End. It's a dual-language Spanish campus that offers a variety of programs and clubs for students to take part in.
We open campus at 6:30 a.m. and that's for all of our students. And kids can be here until 5 p.m. They can participate in any of the after-school activities from that 4 to 5 p.m. block too. And so students, parents who are working parents, I know myself as a mom, that was always such a struggle, picking up my kid right at 4 o'clock. And so having that flexibility, I know a lot of our parents have given us that feedback that they appreciate that a lot.
And the students I spoke with tell me among the many things that they like about their school, they sincerely love the support that they get from their teachers.
So I love most about my school is that the teachers, they have us give our opinions, and they have us pretty much give appreciate each other. They help us, learn. It helps us learn a lot.
My favorite thing about Cage Elementary is probably the teachers are actually very open-minded to our questions and concerns, and the thing is that they really care about us.
My favorite thing about school is the teachers are very respectful and open to all of our opinions, and everybody, they treat us all equally, including the principal and like all of the fifth grade teachers and all the other teachers that we've all been through in this school year.
And the students also explained to me more about a specific class program called the Art of Thinking, or AOT, that they say is getting them ready for the future.
In AOT class, it helps us gain life skills.
Wonderful. What kind of life skills are you talking about?
So basically, you know how many people are starting to believe whatever on the internet?
Mm-hmm.
So what we learn there is what can we trust, what can we not trust, and how to verify it.
They have us for people, because there's some people that nowadays they have some people that they talk in different ways, and now they're having us learn in different ways how they can talk and how you can communicate more to other people, which can help have things that were bad happening. Mm-hmm. Pretty much the next generation of us can probably stop it and have things go for the greater.
AOT is helping us because there's certain apps and certain things that you don't think they're doing stuff, but they can also be hacking into your information by you putting it on there, and they're not securing it safely, like TikTok and other social media platforms.